Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
5 options for choosing winter clothes for pregnancy for you. Hi mommies! During pregnancy, you don't need to stick with the typical maternity clothes. You can make an outfit that's fashionable. Learn to put your outfit together for the winter. The first thing that you should know is that there are 5 essential pieces that shouldn't be missing in your wardrobe. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you what to do about that. If you're pregnant, not only do you have to find something that you like, but it has to be warm and comfortable. With some creativity, you can find an excellent winter clothes for yourself. What winter outfits should pregnant women wear? Among everything that goes on during pregnancy, you should look and feel good. Just because you're pregnant doesn't mean you need to give up your look. In addition, choosing your clothes during pregnancy is very essential. In fact, it's one of the most important times of self-care during this time of your life. While choosing your clothes, you need to take the season into account. Maternity clothing stores provide many options to choose from and dress warm. Winter clothing involves wearing clothes that cover you really well. They should make you look and feel great too. But pregnant women doesn't limit that, and all those maternity fashions, now is the time to enjoy something really smart. 5 options for choosing winter clothes in pregnancy. Learn to put your outfit together for winters, and there are 5 important things that should be there in your wardrobe. 1 is coats. This piece is key for pregnant women in the winters. To make the best choice, you must take 3 important aspects into account: style, texture, and colors. Styles. When buying, you can choose different types of coats. This way, you'll have several options to combine for different looks. You can choose sweaters, long coats, and vests. Now the texture. You should look for a coat that's comfortable, like the ones that are lined and warm. Certain ones can be annoying depending on what they are made up of. Now the colors. It's much easier to combine coats that have neutral tones. On the other hand, you can go for bold colors to give a joy of touch to these winters. Now the boots. In the winters, boots are one of the important accessories you can't miss out. They are ideal for styling your figure, especially high boots. Before buying them, consider your height and build. If you're short, leather-lined rockers and push boots are ideal. You can combine them with skirts, jeans or leggings. Now third is scarves. This accessory is a staple. Best of all, that there are many different styles to choose from. Single color, different sizes, textures. During pregnancy, you can keep yourself warm by using this and even add up to a unique touch and have your own style. 4. Winter hats. Winter hats protect your ears and head from the cold. There are many types of hats like berets, beanies, and wool hats. If you want something more modern, hats are a great addition to any outfit you choose. 5. Winter gloves. If you want to give a chic touch to your outfit, don't forget the gloves. Apart from keeping your fingers warm in the winters, they add a glamorous touch, and gloves also complete your winter look. Leather ones are elegant, while fabric ones are great for a more casual look. Now that you know the best options for winter clothing for yourself, you don't need to worry anymore. Follow these suggestions to look and feel great in this winter. Remember, wear things that make you feel comfortable, warm, and of course, beautiful and smart. Thank you and namaste.